In this week's edition of the Business Review, Aisha Nation looks at a company offering solutions for multiple needs under one roof.
Clickaway, changing the service industry, providing customers with an efficient way to access a wide range of services. Alyssa Ann Carpio-Roxburgh is Brand and Marketing Manager.
Clickaway is an app that is on Google Play and App Store that connects skilled professionals with consumers. So for example, you need a plumber, a landscaper, or even a lawyer or a JP, or you might just need a hairdresser. Clickaway provides skilled trained professionals on the platform.
So how does it work?
For example, you're in Montego Bay and you just recently located to Montego Bay and you want to find a carpenter. The geo-tracker in Clickaway allows you to watch the skilled professional come to your property to conduct the service, as well as it finds one in your area. So it would not find you a carpenter in Kingston, it would find you a carpenter in Montego Bay.
And if concerns arise about qualifications?
Once you pay, if you're not satisfied with the job, the skilled professional is not able to download the funds to their wallets. So, with that being said, you find that we've not really had any problems so far, thank God, with our app and the persons that we vet to put on our platform. So we do vet them. You have to have your police records, you have to have your qualifications, your identification card, proof of address, the whole works.
But why this idea?
There's so much unattached youth right now here in Jamaica that are very talented and they have a lot of skills, but it's putting that skills into motion.
She says the company continues to grow.
We've had over 10,000 persons that's downloaded the app so far. In regards to users, we've had over 4,500 users so far that's used the app island-wide and internationally. So basically, Clickaway, it is very easy and transparent. All you have to do is just go on your Google Play Store or your App Store, download the app, sign up. If it is that you want to be a professional, then you can set up a profile, showcase your works, put your invoices together, bid for jobs, or you can just be a consumer that goes on it to find somebody in your area that needs a service.
From May last year to date, the company made just over $4 million in revenue with its program Fix Yard from Abroad. And for its service offerings,
we have over 250 different categories of skilled professionals on the platform. And as I said, we have over 10,000 users, 6,400 are customers that has used the app. So the remaining balance would be skilled professionals.
She says the 3-year-old company is the brainchild of her brother who created the application during COVID, but it was officially launched this year. The company is looking to partner with the Heart Academy to train persons so they can market themselves on the platform. Clickaway is also looking to branch out to the regional and international markets in the near future. A click away to your required services. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.